Hi guys, welcome back. It's Ash from Out and About with Ash. I do short walks in interesting places, and today we're doing a walkthrough of the MS Aguamarina Costa Del Sol 4-star hotel. This is where we're located. We're 2 streets back from the sea. You've got the Sol Don Pablo here. Bit of parking down there, and in that direction we've got the sea. So let's have a look. Let's have a walk through. Quite a quiet location. You've got a bar just down there, Bar Titos. Nice little bar, to be honest. So yeah, let's just. Entrance to the hotel is very nice. You got disabled access just here, if you need it. Kind of little soft area up there. I haven't really. Let's have a look. I don't know what's up here really. Ooh. Okay, space for bikes and stuff like that. I've never really looked up there. So yeah, let's just go into the lobby, show you what it's like. It's too busy. So we've got restaurants down there. That's where breakfast and dinner. We're self-catering, so we haven't got any of that. But you've got a nice little water feature here. Bar area's very nice. Lots of comfortable seating. Nice bar. It's pretty much open all the time. Somebody will just see you waiting and they'll come and serve you. San Miguel on tap. Not sure what the other one is. But yeah, good selection of things from the bar. Pool area, I'll come back to that. And then you've got another little serving area here. And then let's just have a look. See if we can get down here. Seating area, television. Access to the rooms. To show you where the lifts are. Yeah, lifts here. And if you're with Jet2 holidays, that's where your rep's going to be sitting, just there. So yeah, let's continue. I'll show you the pool next. So let's just show you the pool area. Patio pool area. Just do this. So it's about 9:30 in the morning. So there's not anyone sunbathing yet. Weather's all right. A little bit chilly last night, but yeah, on the whole, pretty good. It's like 20. It's usually, well, it's between 21 to 24 degrees. But yeah, this is the pool area. Decent sized pool. Sea's just down there. Doing some works to this building, this apartment building across there. Walked past every day. We've been kind of having a look at that. Little pool up there. Not sure. Kids pool maybe. Haven't been in there. Been in here. Dipped the feet. It's March, so it's not really swimming weather. There's been a couple of people swimming. But yeah, this is the pool area. It's very nice. There's across there at the back, there's a pool bar, not open this time of year, but there's also a nice little patio to sit and have some food. Haven't eaten at the hotel. We're self-catering, so we haven't eaten at the hotel. But yeah, this is the pool area. Little gym, so little few things in here. Not too much, but enough to get a holiday workout in. So yeah, you should be all right. Running machine, bike, free weights, yoga mats, balls, and multi-weight machine. Nice view of the lobby. Hi guys, on to the next bit. Lots going on in this hotel. Menu here for the restaurant. Hotel prices, as you'd imagine. Haven't used the restaurant. Bar's been quite good, had a couple of drinks there. 7th floor, and we've got a solarium. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at that. Knew that was gonna happen. There goes the gimbal. Wow. Yeah, sunny up here. Just have a look. See view. It's a pool. Pool on the roof as well. Wow. Cool. And as the holiday brochures would say, it's a stone throw from the beach. Cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys. This is the hotel walkthrough. Hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, pretty decent hotel here, to be honest. Lots on offer. Location's good. You know, you're few minutes from the beach, a few minutes from the town centre at the top. But yeah, lovely. Nice little hotel, 4-star. Very reasonably priced, so £415 for 4 nights. It's about my kind of budget. £100 a night is, a few years ago, that used to be my benchmark, really. So, you know, that's obviously gone up in the last couple of years. But it's, yeah, it's nice. I'd recommend this one. You'll have a pleasant stay. For me, look, check out the room review. But the beds are really comfortable, spoiler alert. Yeah, that's key for me, getting a good night's sleep, and I've managed to get one here. Highlights, indoor pool's been fantastic. Outdoor pool, a little bit cold. Haven't really, you know, didn't really go in it, but sort of dipped the feet. But it's been fantastic weather for the middle of March. I definitely recommend this hotel. Let me know your thoughts if you're thinking of coming here. If you've been here already, let me know what you think. But yeah, thanks for watching. And from the rooftop, with the rooftop pool, I'll catch you on the next one.